Hey there! Welcome back to FitLife Secret. Today, I'm excited to share some tips on how to get that flat tummy you've always wanted. We all want to feel good and look our best, right? A flat belly not only makes you look slimmer, but also gives you a confidence boost. Believe it or not, what you drink in the morning can make a huge difference. Did you know that some drinks can actually help you burn belly fat? Pretty cool, huh? Yep, you heard that right. Starting your day with the right drink can kickstart your metabolism and set the tone for healthy digestion all day long. It's like giving your body a morning wake-up call to start burning fat right away. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome health tips. Morning mistakes that make you fat. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to eat whatever they want and still stay slim? It's not just luck or genetics. Often it's because they've developed habits that support their metabolism and overall health. These habits start from the moment they wake up. It might be because they've mastered the art of a healthy morning routine. A good morning routine can set the tone for the rest of the day, helping you make better choices and stay energized. Many people make common mistakes that actually slow down their metabolism. These mistakes can be subtle, but have a significant impact on your weight and energy levels. Skipping breakfast. When you skip breakfast, your body goes into starvation mode. This means it starts conserving energy and storing fat, thinking it needs to prepare for a period of scarcity. This makes it hold on to fat instead of burning it. Over time, this can lead to weight gain, particularly around your midsection. Sugary drinks. That sugary coffee or packaged juice might seem tempting, especially when you're in a rush or need a quick pick-me-up. But it's loaded with empty calories that quickly convert into belly fat. These drinks can cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels, followed by a crash that leaves you feeling tired and craving more sugar. Processed foods. Breakfast cereals or pastries are often full of refined carbs and sugar, which might give you a quick energy boost, but don't provide lasting nourishment, which spike your blood sugar levels and lead to fat storage. This can make you feel sluggish and less likely to be active throughout the day. These mistakes can leave you feeling sluggish and contribute to weight gain, especially around your tummy. Over time, these habits can make it harder to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle. But don't worry, we're here to help you break these habits. By making small changes to your morning routine, you can boost your metabolism, increase your energy levels, and start your day on the right foot. Stay tuned for tips on how to create a healthier morning routine that supports your weight loss goals and overall well-being. The magic potion, your belly fat buster drink. This drink is not just any ordinary beverage. It's a powerful blend of natural ingredients designed to help you shed those extra pounds around your midsection. Ready to discover the secret to a flatter belly? Imagine waking up every morning feeling lighter and more energized. This drink can be your first step towards achieving that dream. This simple, natural drink can be easily made at home and can do wonders for your weight loss journey. Here's what you need. The best part, you probably already have most of these ingredients in your kitchen. Ingredients: 1 glass warm water, not hot. Half a lemon, juiced. Warm water helps to kickstart your metabolism, while lemon juice is known for its detoxifying properties. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Half-inch ginger, grated. Apple cider vinegar can help control blood sugar levels and improve digestion. Ginger adds a zesty flavor and has anti-inflammatory benefits. A pinch of cayenne pepper, optional. Cayenne pepper can boost your metabolism and add a spicy kick to your drink. Instructions. Take your glass of warm water. Make sure it's warm, not hot, to preserve the nutrients in the ingredients. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is best for maximum benefits. Add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This ingredient is crucial for its fat-burning properties. Grate a small amount of ginger into the mix. Fresh ginger is more potent than powdered ginger. If you like a little heat, add a pinch of cayenne pepper. This is optional but highly recommended for an extra metabolism boost. Stir it all together and enjoy. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for the best results. Consistency is key, so make it a part of your daily routine and watch the magic happen. What makes this drink so special? You might be wondering how these simple ingredients can be so powerful. Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of nutrition and see how each component contributes to making this drink a powerhouse of health benefits. Here's the science behind it. Each ingredient has unique properties that, when combined, create a synergistic effect, amplifying their individual benefits. Let's start with lemons. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system and protecting your cells from damage. They help boost your metabolism and flush out toxins. Drinking lemon water can also improve your skin health and aid in digestion. Next, we have apple cider vinegar. This wonder ingredient aids digestion by promoting the growth of healthy gut bacteria. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Additionally, apple cider vinegar makes you feel full, preventing overeating and helping with weight management. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in various recipes. Now, let's talk about ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory, which means it helps reduce inflammation in the body. This is particularly beneficial for people with chronic conditions like arthritis. It also helps speed up your metabolism and fight bloating. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits. Cayenne pepper, though optional, adds a kick to the drink. This spicy ingredient helps boost your metabolism even further, thanks to a compound called capsaicin. Capsaicin increases your body's heat production, which means you burn more calories. It's a great addition if you're looking to enhance the drink's fat-burning properties. Together, these ingredients work in synergy to create a drink that not only tastes refreshing, but also offers a multitude of health benefits. From kickstarting your metabolism to reducing inflammation and promoting fat burning, especially in the abdominal area, this drink is a fantastic addition to your daily routine. So the next time you prepare this drink, remember that you're not just making a beverage. You're crafting a powerful elixir that supports your overall well-being. Cheers to a healthier you. Supercharge your day with these tips for the best results. Drink it first thing. Have this drink on an empty stomach every morning for best results. Be consistent. Consistency is key. Make this drink a part of your daily routine for noticeable changes. Pair it with a healthy diet. While this drink can aid your weight loss journey, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Get moving. Combine this drink with regular exercise, even if it's just a brisk walk or some yoga, to further boost your metabolism and fat burning. Morning no-nos things to avoid for a slimmer you. First up, sugary cereals. While convenient, these are often loaded with sugar and provide little nutritional value. Next, processed meats. Bacon and sausages are high in saturated fat and sodium, which can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. And finally, skipping breakfast. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Skipping it can slow down your metabolism and lead to overeating later on. Listen to your body. When to take a break. While this drink is generally safe for most people, it's important to listen to your body and consult with your doctor if you have any underlying health conditions. If you experience any discomfort, try reducing the quantity of lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, or cayenne pepper. And if you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult your doctor. Your journey to a healthier you begins now. It's time to take control of your health and finally achieve that flat tummy you've always desired. This simple morning drink, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can make a world of difference. Remember, consistency is key, and small changes can lead to significant results over time. You've got this. Join the fat-fighting revolution. Share this incredible morning drink recipe with your friends and family, and let's embark on this journey to a healthier, fitter us together. Start your day the right way, and let this simple drink pave the way for a healthier, more confident you.